Chapter 16, The Throne of Justice. Before starting the chapter, let's understand the meanings. Amazed, adjective, very surprised. So when you're very surprised, you are amazed. I was amazed to see the beautiful scenery he had painted. He means some boy or man. He had painted one beautiful scenery, and when I saw that, I was very amazed. I was very surprised. Amused, adjective, thinking that something is funny, so that one smiles or laughs. When somebody finds that something is very funny or someone is very funny, and so that person smiles or laughs, then that person is amused. Granny was amused to hear little Pradeep's complaints about his hair. So when Granny heard that Pradeep was complaining, little Pradeep means a small boy Pradeep, he was complaining about his hair, then Granny was amused. Granny found it funny. Anxious, adjective, means worried or nervous. When you are very worried or you are nervous, you are anxious. Gaurav seemed anxious about his result. Gaurav was very worried or he was nervous about his result. Assembled, verb, came together as a group. As a group, when we come together, we all get together, that is assemble. The students assembled in the hall for the morning prayer. So for morning prayer, all the students had come together as a group in the hall. Auspicious, adjective, showing signs that something is likely to be successful in the future. When we get signs that something is going to be successful or some good thing is going to happen in the future, such signs are auspicious. Means those are good signs. Many people consider a full moon to be an auspicious time. Many people think that full moon day, that day is auspicious, that time is auspicious, means it's a good time. Carvings, noun, object or patterns made by chipping wood or stones. When wood or stones are chipped and some objects or patterns are made, those are carvings. One can see beautiful carvings in the caves of Ajanta and Ellora. So in the caves of Ajanta and Ellora, there are beautiful carvings. Conflicts, noun, situations in which people are involved in a serious disagreement. When people are arguing very badly, then there are conflicts. War broke out as a result of the conflicts between the two nations. So there were arguments between two nations. Two nations were not agreeing with each other, and that is why war broke out, means war started. Courage, noun, ability to face danger, fear or opposition. When you are ready to face danger, fear or opposition, at that time you have courage. Neha lacks the courage to deal with difficult situations. Neha is not having enough courage to fight difficult situations. Cowherds, noun, people who take care of cows and other cattle. Those people who take care of cow and other cattle, they are called cowherds. The cowherds were busy tending their cows. Cowherds were busy tending their cows. Flutters, verb, moves lightly or quickly. When something moves very lightly or quickly, it flutters. A butterfly flutters from flower to flower. So butterfly, it moves very quickly or very lightly from one flower to another. Garudas, noun, bird-like creatures. Garudas are huge bird-like creatures that appear in many mythological stories. We have seen in many mythological stories like Mahabharata or Rama and such stories, there are bird-like creatures which are called Garudas. Judgment seat, noun, the seat for a king or queen on which he or she sits and makes decisions after careful thought. So judgment seat is a seat on which king or queen sits and they think properly and give their judgments, their decisions. The king sat on the judgment seat to decide cases of the day. So the king, he sat on the judgment seat to decide which are going to be cases of that day. Magnificent, adjective, extremely attractive or impressive. When something is very attractive, very impressive, that is magnificent. Many tourists come here to see this magnificent palace. So many tourists, they all come here to visit this beautiful, this attractive palace. Mount, noun, a large pile of earth or stones, a small hill. So small hill, that is known as mount. We can also say that it's a pile of earth or rocks or stones. He had a good view of the area from the mount. So he means some boy, he was there on the mount and he could have a nice view of that area. He was able to look at the area properly. Rustling, adjective, the soft sound made by the movement of dry leaves or paper. When dry leaves or paper they move, they make a sound, and that sound is known as rustling. The soft rustling sound of leaves can be clearly heard in the silence of the night. So when during night we all know there is silence, and during that silence viewer or someone was able to hear soft rustling sound of the leaves. Solomon, adjective, here serious and sincere. Solomon in this chapter means serious and sincere. He spoke to the patient in a solemn and thoughtful manner. So somebody spoke to the patient in a solemn, means in a serious, sincere and thoughtful way. Sternly, adverb, in a strict manner. The teacher sternly asked the students to complete their work on time. When someone is speaking in a strict way, that person is speaking sternly. So in the sentence it is being said that teacher strictly told the students to complete their work on time. Thoughtful, adjective, quiet because one is thinking. When somebody is thinking very deeply, they are quiet, means they are thoughtful. The man became thoughtful after his son told him that he was going out of the country. So there is one man and his son told him that he was going out of the country. At that time the man started thinking deeply. He was very quiet because he was thinking. Means he was thoughtful. Throne, noun, special chair used by a king or queen to sit on. A special seat for king or queen is known as throne. The king sat on the throne and talked to his courtiers. The king, he sat on his throne, means he sat on a special seat, and then he talked with his courtiers. Trials, now, the formal examination of evidence in a court by a judge. When judge examines evidences, that is known as trials. The man had to face several trials to prove his innocence. One man was there and he had to face lots of trials so that he could prove that he was not guilty, he was innocent. Unjust, adjective, unfair. A king should never be unjust, means a king should never be unfair. Worthy, adjective, means having the qualities deserving of something. In order to deserve something, we should have the qualities, such qualities that we can have that thing. Honest people are worthy of respect. Means honesty is such a quality which gives you respect, because of which you get respect. Theseus, courage, noun, means bravery, guts or valor. Magnificent, adjective, means grand, majestic, impressive. Worthy, adjective, means honorable, admirable or deserving. I hope you have understood the meanings and the theses I explained. Thank you.